Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will show you how to align the safety reversing sensors on your garage door opener. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult your owner's manual for complete instructions and safety information. When the safety reversing sensors are misaligned, the door will not close from the remote control and the garage door opener lights will flash. In addition, your garage door opener has self-diagnostic capability. On a Security Plus 2.0 garage door opener, the up arrow will flash 4 times, followed by the down arrow flashing 6 times. This indicates the sensors are misaligned or obstructed. And on other garage door openers, the Learn LED will flash 4 times every 10 seconds, indicating the sensors are misaligned or obstructed. Locate the receiving sensor, which has a green LED. The receiving sensor LED will be off, dim, or flickering, indicating the sensor is out of alignment. To align the sensors, simply loosen the wing nut on the receiving sensor. Move the sensor around until the LED is glowing steadily and not flickering. Now, tighten the wing nut. When the receiving sensor LED is properly aligned, it will glow steadily. The safety reversing sensors are successfully aligned. Anytime you make any adjustments, the safety reversal system must be tested. See your owner's manual for instructions on how to test the safety reversal system. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Be sure to check out our other products and accessories when you visit us on the web at liftmaster.com.